Hi everyone. Now today we will be doing class 10th constructions exercise 11.2 question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all, let us draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So here we have to take compass, we have to open the compass 3 cm and then you have to draw circle of radius 3 cm like this. So this is a circle we are drawing of radius 3 cm like this. Now you have to make a diameter, right? And this should be an extended diameter. Extended diameter, that is, make a diameter and extend it on both sides like this. So we have made extended diameter. So this is the center of the circle. Now they are saying take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameters. That means you and at a distance of 7 cm from the center. Now you have to take 7 centimeters, the distance of 7 cm from the center. So this is 7 cm. Keep it here on the center, at the center, and this point will be P point at a distance of 7 cm from the center, and this on the other side we will take it as Q. So this is P and this is Q, and remember OP is 7 cm, OQ is 7 cm. Now from these 2 points we have to draw tangents to this circle. Now the method for drawing this tangent is you have to take your compass, you have to first make perpendicular bisector of OP. So I am first drawing tangents from point P. So you have to make perpendicular bisector of OP. For that you have to open your compass for the distance more than half of OP, approximately half of OP. It will be like this. So we are drawing perpendicular bisector of OP. So this is point P. So in this way we can draw perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ also. So in the similar way, let us, because we have to draw the tangents from both the points to the same circle. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector this side also like this. So we have drawn 2 perpendicular bisector, one of OP, one bisector of OP and one bisector of OQ, perpendicular bisector of OQ. So these are the 2 perpendicular bisectors. So let us take these points where the perpendicular bisector is intersecting OP. Let us take that point as M, and the perpendicular bisector where it is intersecting OQ, let us take it as N. Now the next step is you have to draw a circle with M as a center and OM as a radius, right? You have to draw a circle with M as a center and OM as a radius. So in this way you can draw a circle. So it will be like this. Similarly, you have to draw a circle since you have to make tangents here also. So take this as a like this. So you will draw another circle like this with N as a center and OQ as the radius like this. Now see these new circles. The circles with center M and N, they are intersecting the given circle at 2 points. Let us take these points as A and B, and where the circle with center N is intersecting our original circle, let us take those points as A dash and B dash. Now let us join PA. So this will be tangent from point P to the circle and PB will be the another tangent from point P, like this. See, we have drawn two tangents. Similarly, we can join QA dash. So we can join QA dash. So we'll get another circle, another tangent from point Q. And if we will join B dash Q, we are going to get our fourth tangent. So we have drawn tangents from point P and Q, and we are getting four tangents, and the tangents are PA, PB. These are from points P. Point P, and we are also getting QA dash and QB dash, and they are the tangents from point Q. Thank you very much.